Now, that's the amount of our capital and that's our target mission today. And these are actually the concepts that we'll be using to achieve this mission today. Now, the main intention of this video is not to flip any account at all, but then unfortunately, that's the only way I can show you how powerful this concept is that I'm about to show you now. And even if this concept is extremely powerful and dangerously accurate, it's extremely easy at the same time. It's also easy that all you need to do is simply hold your mobile device, watch as the market is moving and storm into trades, and that's literally all. Because what we'll be using today called fractals will be doing basically 99.999% of all the analysis for us, and I mean that. And hopefully this helps us flip our account from just $100 to over $10,000 now. But just before we go on, if you're new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that'll be dropping out from this place. So that not to waste so much time, let's dive in now. And boom. Okay guys, now first target to be to hit $1,000, second target to be to hit $5,000, and third target to be to transform to over $10,000, smoothly like that. All right, so let's quickly add an indicator now, right? So we'll just hit this particular stuff, drop down, and then we should see our fractals here. We'll just hit on our fractal smoothly. We'll simply place this on our 4 pixels smoothly like that, right? Select that, and then you just select save, right? And that's all, right? Good. So if we come to this spot now, this is exactly what we're having, right? You can literally see our fractal getting formed about this region, right? Look at it right now. If we check out that particular stuff, look at the first fractal. Let me try zooming this stuff out. Look at that, right? 1, 2, and then we should be having a third one here later on, right? Something like that. Now if we try looking at this particular stuff again now, what do you see now about this spot, right? You can literally see that this particular stuff is actually playing around this region, first, second, and then look at it around this region, right? It hit this particular spot, and what do you see now about the spot? You can literally see that this particular stuff is playing around this particular zone, right? Around this particular zone, because there is a fractal there, right? Good. Now if we check out this stuff now, what do you see now? You can see that there is a fractal at the bottom of this particular spot. Let me draw that, let me show you that to you. Boom, you can see it. So what do you think now? To drop down, hit a fractal, and after that we can easily storm into some trades, right?
A few moments later.
Okay, now this will be our first trade. Now what are we having now? This particular stuff just dropped down towards our level. You can literally see that, right? Smoothly like that. So what do we have now? Look at it, guys. Look at our fractal smoothly like that. Now it's doing everything for us. You can literally see around that range. So what are we expecting now? A rejection around that spot. Look at it now, around the spot, right? And then what do we expect now? Boom. Look at our rejection already happening. So what can we do? Let's zoom into this particular trade now, guys. So let's just zoom in. So we'll just be using 0.6, and I would like to be using 0.6 throughout today, because as we scale up, I actually will be watching out for retracement, so that in case we have any retracement, I can easily stock into some more trades, right? Okay, so that's what we're having currently. And guys, don't forget, what we are using currently on this particular spot is actually unlimited leverage, and the name of the broker actually dropped it already in that description box, so you can easily just check the description box if you want to use this particular broker, right? Smoothly just like that. So we're using unlimited leverage on this particular trade, smoothly just like that. Okay guys, so this is what we're having currently. So this particular stuff still pushing smoothly like this, right? Okay, now let me just show you something quickly, right? Now we went into this trade at about this spot, right? And then the rejection started, right? Now where we're exiting this trade will be our next fractal level, which will be at this particular spot. But we'll have to exit this trade earlier because, well, our capital is still extremely low, right? So this is what we're having currently. So we'll be zooming up this trade immediately as we hit like $500. So okay, let's zoom out this trade. Let's just zoom off. Let's zoom off this particular trade. Why is this stuff not closing? Why is it not closing? Let's try that again. Okay, so that's about $565 smoothly just like that, right?
A few moments later.
All right, so this is exactly what we're having currently, guys. So this is exactly what we're having. You can literally see a fractal there already. Now if we go on at 1 minute, you can see it even clearer at about this spot, right? Let's map that out. What can you see? You can see a breakout right at about that region at 1 minute. And if we check out this particular stuff again, just at about this spot, what can you see? We can actually see our take profit level, right? That's what that's showing us, right? Pushes up to that spot. And if we map out this particular stuff, what can we see at about this spot now? We can literally see that specular start hit a maximum drop level, right? Good. So what can we do now? We can zoom into this specular trade, right? On a 0.6. So let's just zoom into this specular trade, right? Okay, so this is actually very smart. All right, $15 red. Okay, it's cool. Just zoom into this specular trade. Accept that. Zoom into this particular trade. Let's see now. Let's see. So this specular stuff should start pushing up, right? This should start pushing up. This should start pushing up. The fractal day is what's holding it, right? The fractal day is what's holding it. That particular level, boom, it's leaving. It's leaving that particular level. Okay, so we're actually at 99. Let's storm into some more. Let's storm into some more. Okay, so let's storm into some more. So like I told you already, the broker, the name of the broker is actually in the description box, so you don't have to ask that in the comment section again, please. I already dropped that in the description box. Okay, so this is what we're having. All right, so we're actually having. Okay, good. Let's just talk in some more. Okay, so all right, now remember our take profit level, right? It has not hit that level, so I just want this stuff to push towards that level, and we will call this a trade, a nice trade. I think it's getting towards the particular level. It's pushing towards that. Boom. Okay, so it just pushed towards that level. Let's see if it can break the level. If it doesn't, we'll zoom off this trade. Over 800 bucks, that's not bad. Over 9, okay, over 700, that's not bad. But let's see if it breaks. If it doesn't, we'll zoom off the trade. If it doesn't, we'll zoom up the trade. I don't think it wants to, but let's just be patient a little bit. Okay, I guess we might have to leave this trade, right? We might have to leave this trade. Okay, let's just hit over 2,000 bucks. Okay, let's leave this trade. We don't have to be greedy. Let's just leave this trade. Let's just leave. Good. So let me actually just show you what I was talking about. So you can literally see this level at about the spot, right? This was actually where we had our breakout. Let me just show you that. You can actually see that we had our breakout at about this spot, right? Smoothly like that. And then we are watching out this particular level. This particular level was actually a maximum drop level. And if we map out this particular stuff, this was actually a take profit level if we map it out all using our fractal. And then a breakout occurred, remember guys, and then it hit this level, but then there has not been a retest. So we'll just be waiting for the retest next. Now, just as we continue to storm into our trades, let me just quickly introduce you to Market Marathon 150. I'll be trading with multiple traders live, taking 5 trades every single day for the next 30 days. That's a total of 150 trades. And we'll also be having live stream trading session just like what you are watching now, where I'll be trading with multiple traders live also just like this. And that's not all. You also get access to a 12 months membership plan to join the Mr. PFS clan. And also you gain access to a 1-class live mentorship session where I'll be teaching from beginner to pro level trading secrets. You also gain access to multiple paid robot indicators which you can use to automate your trading process. And to register for this is actually extremely easy. It will literally take you less than 30 seconds to be done. You just simply need to scan the QR code right there now, or you simply just check in the description box there. Just hit on the registration link to actually register. And the deadline for registration is actually the 19th of November. So if you see this particular video after the 19th of November, you should know that this particular stuff has actually expired. So that let's dive back into our trades now. So this is exactly what we're having currently, guys. So you can actually see a fractal and then it drop down towards particular level for a retest smoothly just like that. So what are we expecting now? This particular stuff to just hit this particular level and possibly start pushing up smoothly like that, right? But then there is a build up around that region. So we'll just watch and see what happens. Okay, it's still dropping. Still dropping. So what we're waiting for is just a major rejection around the zones of our fractals. Okay, so there has not been a major rejection. That's a build up. Okay, so if we check out this stuff now, let's see now, let's map that out. Okay, it doesn't touch our third level, but that's what we're having, and boom, it actually just broke out of this level, right? Look at that. It actually just broke out of this level. So what we're expecting now is for this stuff to actually, let me just show you that. Now it's for this stuff to just keep dropping until it actually it starts getting rejected. But then it seems like that's crossed our first levels. Now it's getting to our next fractal level, which it is currently. It's at that spot currently, and it seems like it wants to break that part also. But okay, let's just see this level. Yeah, this okay, good. That's a major rejection. That's a smooth rejection. Look at it, guys. Look at it. That's actually smooth, right? Good. Let's just storm into this Breakout trade. Let's not talk too much. Let's just storm into this Breakout trade, right? So let's just storm in on 0.6. That's okay. Storm in on 0.6. Not bad at all. Okay, so we are going on minor lot size in case of crazy retracement, right? We can easily stock in some more, right? So we're just going on that. We're having a lot of off quote today. I don't know why, but it's okay. Let's just stocking some more. Okay, so all right, so this is what we're having currently, right? Okay, so this is what we're having currently. Stocking some more. All right, so it's still literally within the range of a fractal. That's why it's actually nice, right? Okay, so that's okay. It's 65, right? It's okay. It's okay. Okay, now this is exactly what they have going, guys. So this is just pushing smoothly now. 75. Okay, good. 754. Right. So that's actually good. Now let's talk in some more, just some more. Now look at the reason why I'm actually trying to add some more. Look at it. You see this at fractal level, right? Look at it. It has actually crossed above a fractal level, and that's not just it. Look at this other stuff now. Let me just show you this particular stuff again. Let me just show you that. Now, can you see that? Good. Can you see that? Boom. It has actually crossed a second level of a fractal, telling us that this particular stop actually has a high possibility of pushing up even further than this. So let's actually just see 1.7, 1.8. Okay. So this stop should still push up because that's crossed a previous level of fractal. So let's just see. Boom. It's actually pushing up over 2,000 bucks. Let's see if we can hit 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Let's leave this straight. Let's leave. Boom. So we actually have about 5.2k for smoothly just like that. So you can actually see this movement, guys. This is actually very, very smooth. This was actually very, very smooth.
A few moments later.
All right, okay, guys. So this is what we're having currently, right? So this particular stop. Look at this level, guys. A lot of fractals compiling here, and that's not just it. Look at this one also. Let me just map out why this stuff now. Okay, look at this. Can you see this particular stop? This particular stop actually just hits at maximum levels at the same time. So let me show you this particular stuff again. You can see it's actually hooked already with our fractals, right? Our fractals has already hooked this level. So what do you think is going to happen to this particular stop? Just start pushing up smoothly, right? So what can we do now? Let's actually just use a normal 0.6. I'm using this in case of retracement, right? I'm using this today. I know you'll be like, Mr. P is not increasing his lot size today. It's because I'm actually expecting maybe some retracement. The market is actually kind of like very volatile today, so I'm actually just using that in case there's any retracement. I can easily add some more trades, so that's just why I'm not using maybe like one lot size or two lot size or so. Okay, so that's it. So we can easily storm into some more, right? Let's just storm into some more. All right. Okay, that's not good, but it's okay. It's okay, that's not good. Boom. Okay, guys, so this is what we're having currently. So this is actually very, very smooth. This is actually very, very smooth. Let's see this on 1 minute time frame. That's actually very smooth, guys. Over 2.8k. Okay, we'll be zooming off this trade very, very soon, but let's just see if this stuff keeps pushing up. It might just hit at 10k, but let's just see. Let's just be hopeful a bit. Let's just be hopeful a bit and see. Okay, but is within this level, right? Within this level also. Okay, it's pushing up. It seems to have broken this level now, but let's just see what happens. It might still push up. It might still push up. 3.6k, 3.5. Okay, that's dropping. That's dropping. That's dropping. Okay, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. 3.2, 2.5. No, let's leave this trade. Okay, no, let's not sleep. Let's check out the chart. Let's just see what's happening. Okay, there's a fractal that just got formed. Okay, that's good, but it's not too good. But let's just leave because that's saying us that it wants to drop down. So let's just leave this trade. So there's no need waiting again. A fractal just got formed. There's no need. Why is this stuff not closing? Let's try that again. Okay, good. So we actually have about 8.2. So you can literally see the fractal that just got formed. That's about this region. A fractal just got formed. Let me show you that. You can literally see the fractal. So this particular stop also has a high tendency of dropping down. After dropping down, we can go into the trade again. But for the now, no. Let's. That's why we just had to leave. You can literally see the fractal also at about the spot. So you just better leave in this trade. Let's just leave this trade. You can literally see fractal everywhere. So let's just leave this particular trade, guys. It was really good leaving this particular trade. So we'll just watch it now and actually see how this particular stuff actually goes. Okay, so look at this particular stuff now. This stuff is actually, look at the fractal before and look at this stuff is actually coming back down to actually give us a retest. Okay, so that's the retest now. You can literally see the retest on this particular trade. Look at that. And so what can we do now? We can easily zoom into this trade from this level, right? This is a fractal level which is hooking it now, right? So we can easily storm into this particular trade. So this stuff's already pushing. That was fast. Let's just go into this particular trade. No need to waste more time. That was actually fast. Look at the way it took off from that level. Okay, so that's okay. We just need roughly 1.8k and we're good. Just roughly 1.8k. We just go over 1.8k and we zoom up this particular trade. 1.8k and we zoom up this particular trade. So I'm not even trying to add too much trades because we're literally on a last target of 10k. So I'm literally, okay, that's almost hitting 10k. That's almost hitting 10k. That's almost, right? That's almost. Okay, okay, it seems to it's just playing with us. It's just playing with us. Okay, let's zoom up the straight. Why is so not closing? Let's try it out again. Good. So we're actually having roughly about 10k, 76 bucks. But let me show you this per class stop very quickly again, because we actually hit this per class stop. So let me just show you this per class stop quickly again. Let me just show you this per class stop. Now, if we map out this per class stop now from here, take this down a bit, you can actually see a nice move at about this fractal level. Can you see that? That was actually a breakout, right? So after that, we're expecting a normal retest just as usual. So it just keeps repeating itself over and over again, smooth like that. So that if we check out our history now, this is exactly what we're having, right? So that this is actually very, very smooth, guys. This movement was actually very smooth. But let me just show you. So this is actually what we're having currently, right? About 9,000 bucks as our profit. Our deposit was 100 bucks, and our balance is actually 10,000 bucks, smoothly just like that. So that if you check out this per class stuff closing now, you should actually see that we're actually having about 9.9k of profit there, and then we're actually having a deposit of about 100 bucks, and then we're actually having a nice balance there of about 10,000 bucks, 10,076 bucks, smoothly just like that. And that's just how this per class actually goes, guys. So just remember, you don't want to miss our MM150, which is actually coming up just in a few days from now, where we'll be trading live together smoothly just like that. And if you want to register for Market Marathon 150, you can simply just scan the QR code you can see there, or you can easily just check in the description box there. You should also see the link to register smoothly just like that. And if you're new to the per class YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. It's a bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.